A very good evening. This is Abigail R. Carmelim bringing to you the Salesian news across the globe. During a solemn ceremony in the chapel of the Provincial House of the Salesians of India, Panjim, INP, 4 Salesians were ordained deacons by the Archbishop of Goa and Damao and Patriarch of the East Indies, Cardinal Felipe Neri Antonio Ferrao. The ordination was also attended by Father Cleve Tellis, Superior of the INP province, Salesians, parents and relatives of the new deacons. The Salesian Don Bosco International DBI organization and the Youth Ministry sector of the Salesians of Don Bosco participated in the planning retreat of the European Deo Sea Alliance ELSIA held in Brussels on 18 and 19 March 2024. It was a fruitful moment of reflection and preparation for future actions inspired by Laudato Si, experienced together with other groups inspired and united by the same objective, such as Caritas Europe International Cooperation for Development and Solidarity, CIDSEI, the Laudato Si, Justice and Peace Movement, the European Jesuit Social Center, and the Commission of the Episcopal Conferences of the European Union. On the weekend of 15 to 17 March 2024, Salesians Information in the St. Thomas of Canterbury province of Great Britain GPR, together with 2 daughters of Mary Help of Christians, missionaries in the country, met at Savio House in Bollington for a formation meeting on youth ministry. The theme was the Salesian Oratory Youth Center. The weekend was filled with the spirit of Salesian mission and allowed the Salesians to renew themselves in spirit and revive their passion for the Salesian mission in the GBR province and beyond. On 21st March 2024, members of the Salesian family of Thailand shared a fraternal meeting with Father John Louis Playa, delegate of the Rector Major for the Salesian family, and Brother Dominic Nguyen Nam, SDB Salesian brother and the Rector Major's delegate for the past pupils and Salesian cooperators. Representatives of the Salesian family groups present in the country participated in the meeting, namely Salesians of Don Bosco SDB, Daughters of Mary Help of Christians FMA, Association of Mary Help of Christians ADMA, Salesian Cooperators ASC, Volunteers of Don Bosco VDB, Sister Servants of the Immaculate Heart of Mary SIHM, the Daughters of the Queenship of Mary DQM, the Sisters of the Queenship of Mary Immaculate SQM, Salesian past pupils and the past pupils of Salesian. Once again, this year, the Salesians of Don Bosco SDB and the Daughters of Mary Help of Christians FMA in Spain are offering a unique spiritual experience to hundreds of teenagers and young adults in their country, the Salesian Easter. These meetings will be held in different parts of Spain from Holy Thursday, that is 28 March, to Easter Sunday, 31st March. Around 2,000 people, in most cases aged between 16 and 25, will take part in these meetings. Leaders and Salesians will accompany the young people during these days, organizing moments of prayer, group work, personal reflections and the religious celebrations of the Easter Triduum at the center of the Christian liturgical year. So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Till we meet again, thank you for joining us.